Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, that's enough hellos. Hello. Why? Why did I need one more? So today, I thought that instead of doing the miracle stuff, that we would do something a bit different. Okay. I thought that since I've gotten 100 followers now, it's time to maybe like clean up some stuff and improve a bit on the quality. That's what I've been thinking. Why am I not in camera for this? There we go. So what I thought was that I went through the Discord and I fixed it up real nice. Let me go over to the desktop again. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, I am here. We renamed it to McFlyBoys Dev and Chat. That's the new name for the Discord. The icon is the same though. Then we have announcements as before. And there's a dedicated streams page to post when I stream instead of posting it in general. Let's see. Artwork is just artwork. Spicy Memes is now Spicy Memes instead of being NSFW. There's now a general games page for people to discuss games. And not just like the two specific games that people have already been discussing. There's now a hobbies and interests page where you can talk about game dev. And then there's one for coding as well. If you're looking at my streams and you want to get into coding, perhaps this is a good place to talk about that. So that's the Discord more or less. But also, I've also been fixing up on the Twitch a little bit. Let's see. Here we are live. Yeah, I removed the link to my Norwegian YouTube channel because that doesn't make sense here. People who come here usually aren't Norwegian anyways. There's now links to the Discord and my GitHub so that you can find it way more easily. Let's see, and is it possible to like see? No, it's not possible to see how it looks when I'm offline. Okay. I'm gonna have to show it in a different way. Okay, so this is what my offline screen used to look like. But this picture here, first of all, it's very outdated. I have a beard now. I didn't back then when I drew this. Second of all, it looks horrible. So I've changed it out with this one, which I think looks better. The text is the same. Okay, and then I've changed the banner on top of my Twitch as well. Let's see. Where do I even have the old one? Hopefully you remember how the old one looked, but just in case, let's see. It's here, right? Yeah. It was pretty much this picture that I used. The new banner looks like this. I don't know if this is what I'm gonna end up with in the end, but it's at least way better, I think. We are gonna do something new today. I'm gonna go over to creative, and then we're gonna make something today. What is it called? Isn't it creative? Like when you're making something on Twitch? Is it just art? It might be art. Let me see, what are people doing on art? They're making lots of art. And that's what they're doing. Okay, we're gonna set it to art then. Not sure, they change the name sometimes. Yeah, they do. They used to have creative, which was just for anything that involved you creating something. But now it's been split up into art, and then there's software and game development, and which I think was perhaps science and technology for a while, which is really strange. But oh well. So today, what we're gonna do is to make a different stream intro. That's what we're gonna do. Because up till now, we've had this one, you know? And that's pretty okay. Like, it gets the point across. We're starting soon, and we have Icarus here. But like, there's more we could do to that, I feel. So so we're gonna do an attempt at making a new opening screen. Okay, so we're gonna go to DaVinci Resolve, which is video editing software. Okay, but we're not gonna edit the video. We're gonna create a video. And I've already created the project. It's just called Stream Intro. Okay, so here we are, and I already got my my media ready. Here we go, Melon Comfy full size. That's what we're gonna use. But we'll see how we're gonna use it. Okay, we're gonna have to be a bit creative. Let's see. I haven't used this application a lot, so I'm probably gonna have some struggling figuring out how to do stuff, okay? But the idea here is that like you have these different pages that lets you have like different workflow, and then this is suddenly a DaVinci Resolve tutorial. But anyways, so in this page, the task is to find all the footage and pictures, audio clips, whatever that you're going to use for your project. Then in the edit tab, you actually edit your video together. And then in the delivery page, you export the video. That's it. And then you have all these others here. And why do we have so many others? Well, the cut is just an alternative version of edit. It's just a slightly different way of working with editing. But then there's a fusion panel, which is more like After Effects in a way. Like edit is about editing videos and putting together different clips. But fusion is about like doing some heavy automation. No, sorry, not automation. Heavy effects on one clip, or creating an entirely new clip, like with 3D animations or whatever. Then you have the color page, which is all about color adjusting and color correction, that kind of stuff. Then we have the Fairlight page, which is all about audio. So audio effects, leveling out the audio, that kind of stuff. And that's it pretty much. And then there's the delivery, which I told you about. Okay. So, we're gonna start in the edit, because that's where we actually make the video. But since we're creating a stream intro, we're gonna very quickly jump over to Fusion. So we're just gonna kind of create an empty clip and decide how long it's gonna be. So, new Fusion composition. God damn, this music is good. I don't know if it's loud enough for you guys, but it's very good. God damn. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyways, so Fusion composition. I don't know what to call this one. Is it just gonna be like intro? But that's the entire video, so intro, sure. we're gonna do it in 60 FPS because we are streaming in 60. So why not use that? You know, use all those frames instead of just some of them. Okay, so 60 frames intro, create. Oh wait, the duration, that's only 5 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna need our animation to be a bit longer than that. I'm thinking like 2 minutes or something. So create. Okay, there it is, the intro, and then we'll just put it out here. Boom, there it is. Now we have our video right here, and we can play it. It goes for 2 minutes, and it's completely empty. That's what we're gonna do something with. Okay, so if we now just double click this boy right here. No, sorry, that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna single click it and then go to Fusion. There we are. Okay, so when you're in the Fusion tab, everything is kind of node based. It's almost like programming, like visual programming in a way. So we have this media out. So any image data that goes to the media out is what makes things appear on the screen. So whatever goes here is gonna appear on the screen. That's the idea. Okay, and we're gonna use our melon comfy, you know, boop, like this. This is a media in because this is a picture. We're getting picture data in from a file here, and then we can connect it to you. Boom, there you go. There it is on the screen, you know. So now the entire video is just that. Okay. Let's see. And again, I'm still pretty new to this software here, so if I make any weird mistakes or if I come to a situation where I just have no idea what I'm doing, then you know why. Okay. So, okay, let's see now. We're not gonna do this directly though, because like this isn't very interesting to watch for longer than like 5 seconds. But what we're gonna do is that we're gonna emit particles. We have a particle emitter. Okay, we're gonna do particle effects, and then so like if you okay, I will have to figure out how to connect this one. But the point is that once we connect, like, okay, this one creates particles, but particles isn't image data. That's the thing. So you'll have to transform that into image data. In other words, you have to render it. So we have this renderer here. So we plug this into the renderer, and then, okay, and then we plug the renderer into the output. There we go. Now we're rendering nothing. Okay, so like that. Okay, now we have to find out how to really use the P emitter. Okay, because if I now just play the video, we can see that these kind of particles are showing up. Okay, you see that? A bunch of like particles are spawning in and out. That's what I want to do. Okay, so I think if you go to the P emitter and you go to style, yeah, here we have point. But you can do other stuff like blobs, brush, line, n-gon, point cluster, and bitmap. Ooh. God damn, this music is good. Man. There's some really good video game music out there. Which I never listen to, because I just haven't played the correct game. now that we have a bitmap, it's gonna take a bitmap as an input. So now it has an input. So now we can connect this one here. There we go. Does that look correct? I gotta check. Yeah, that's a bunch of Icaruses right there. Nice. Okay, it's very small though. Icarus ball, yeah, ball of Icarus. Oh wait, there we go. Ball of Icarus. Okay, P emitter. Controls. Where's the size? Region. Yeah, that's gotta be it. Okay, here we go. Size. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh god. Okay, yep. Nice, dude. So many of them. I really like it. Wait. Look at this video. One big Icarus holding a ball of Icarus. That would be really cool. Look at this though. Ooh, this music is from Sonic Mania. Okay, sorry. It's a swarm. It's a swarm of Icaruses. If I set it to rectangle, there we go. There we go. It's a square. A square of Icaruses. Wait, let me try to put it back to spare. There we go. Epic. Okay, style. Color, size. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, let's... This is a bit too many, now that I think about it. This is way too many. Right? This is just chaotic. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, so the number is at 10. What does that mean? Does it mean that, like, every frame, 10 new spawn? That's way too fast. Hello? What happened? There we go. Okay, so we start with 10. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we need it to happen way slower. Okay, so let's see. What if we take it down to 1? Like that. So we start with 1. Oh. Like that. And then... Yeah, that's better. That's better. Yeah, okay, now the amount is way less. That's much better. Okay, can I make them bigger? I guess that's on the style. The size. Size. Did that work? Oh, there we go. We just have to do it a lot. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, so... Like, there's definitely a lot of stuff that we can do here. But figuring out how to do what I want to do is gonna be difficult. You know? Because what I essentially want to do is that it's gonna say starting soon, but there's like instead of there we go. Instead of there being just like one Icarus in the corner, I want there to be like random Icaruses hovering around on screen. That's what I'm essentially trying to go for. Okay, so how do I do that then? How do I make them move? I guess that's on controls. Velocity. Oh. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of exciting. Look at that. Looks pretty funny. I wanna do a quick test with that, actually. If I move this outside here, and then go here. Woohoo! Man, that looks good. Do you want them to fade instead of snap out of existence? Yes, I definitely do. And we're not gonna have any velocity for now. Inherit variance, angle. Oh, you can, wait, so there's like a, yeah, because then they're moving up. Okay, I'm getting it. So I guess you can do like angle variance, and then a little bit, and then they all, yeah, they kind of disperse different directions. Okay, that's pretty good. So if you do like 360, I assume they just go in all kinds of directions. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty much what I want to happen though. That they pretty much just go everywhere. You know what? I think we're gonna wait a bit with the movement. We gotta figure out like how to make things look smooth first. Because right now it doesn't look smooth at all. Just look at this. This doesn't look good. It almost looks a bit creepy with how like there's an army of the same character. We need to make sure that it appears everywhere. So region, rectangle. There we go. And then we want the size of this rectangle to take up most of the screen. And this one as well. Ooh. Like that. So that they can spawn anywhere within here. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, and then we need them to disappear after a while. Fade. 0 in, 1 out. How does this work? Do I just like... Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. That's already better. Fusion. Emitter. I don't know how fast they should disappear though. And they gotta like fade in as well. Like that. Okay, how does that look? It already looks better. It's kind of laggy though. I guess it's a bit much for my computer to handle while live streaming. I guess that's why it's lagging. Random seed. Okay, there is still way too many of them though. So I guess we'll have to make them only appear once every 10 frames, right? That's what this is gonna be, I think, yeah. Oh, back to the beginning. This looks better. This looks better. Definitely. Let's do half of that again. Okay, at this point, I think it might make sense to do some movement. Because now it's not gonna be overwhelming, you know? And they can probably boost up a bit in size as well at this point. Size. Okay, if we, yeah. Okay, if we set it up to 0.3, but then we also set some size variance to like 0.2. How does that look? Yeah, because now some of them can be larger and smaller than the others. How can I control how long each one lives on the screen before it disappears? Because I feel like they're disappearing a bit too fast, perhaps? Lifespan. Is that it? Like, what if I turn that way down? Like, how does that look? Yeah, okay, yeah, that is the one. Let's try 150. Okay, how does one of them... How long does one stick on the screen? Okay, now this one showed up. I guess that's an acceptable time to be alive. And then we're gonna do a little bit of velocity in any angle, so 360. Some velocity. I don't know what is a lot and what isn't. Yeah, okay, they're already perhaps going too fast. 2.5. Oops. 0.25. Oops. Or else it's gonna fly away immediately. Okay, okay. Okay, we're gonna try with the velocity like this. Let's see how that looks. That might be better, actually. I would like them to have some initial rotation. Yeah, because this is the one. But this one gives them individual. So like that, maybe. Oh, some of them have a little bit too much rotation. Does this look nice? It's hard to say, to be honest. I don't know. I never made something like this before, so it's kind of difficult to say, like how it should look like, you know. I've always had this this static intro, like it's not very interesting, and I don't know how to make it interesting either. So I should have had Maya here. She would know what to do, or I guess she wouldn't, but she would at least let me know if this was good or if it was weird. Some of them are rotated too much, I think. That's one issue to fix. Cause yeah, so perhaps like this at about 80. Yeah, cause this is the angle in degrees, I guess. Maybe 80 is too much. Let's do 45 as the max angle that you can do. Because that's more acceptable, at least. Should the fade be longer? Like that? I don't know. Like, is that more smooth? Perhaps they should be larger? I don't know. I just gotta test some stuff. Yeah, wait, blur. Blur variance, blur over life. Can I do that? Like, do they blur more and more? Does this even work? I don't feel like they are getting blurred. Dude, they are not getting blurred. What's spin? Spin? Okay. So rotation does initial rotation, while spin does continuous rotation. So if you do like, okay, in Z I want all of them to rotate a bit. Now they're gonna rotate a lot. And man, that looks silly. Jesus Christ. Okay, okay, yeah, but you get the point. You get the point. So, let's say 1. Okay, and then edit. Okay, there we go. That wasn't that bad, actually, to be honest. Looks kind of nice. Maybe we could have a little spin. Just a little bit, you know? Okay, let's say instead of this, let's do some variance spin. So they're all spinning in different speeds. That looks pretty good. That looks actually pretty good. Nice. Okay, wait. Let's work a little bit more with this. Let's do a little bit less, like 0.5. I need to go to the start of the video because we were at the end. There we go. I think that's pretty nice. I've really ruined any chance for myself to get subscribers. I have one emote and you can buy it. You can buy it with channel points. I should probably add some more emotes at some point, because now you can actually add more. I realized this pretty recently, that you can add 5 emotes now as an affiliate. Maybe I should actually use those 5 slots, and I think I can have 5 animated ones as well. Don't know what kind of animations I could come up with there. And I think I can also have 5 that are free, so that there's 5 that's free and then 10 that's paid for. Pet the Icarus, oh yeah. Ooh. That might be a good emote that you can do the head pat. Not bad, Jackson. You're full of good ideas. You're a money-making machine. Ooh. This music is pretty good. It's the first level in Sonic Adventure. Ba, ba, da, ba. Oh yeah, baby, let's go fam. Okay, go ham. Now, let's see. What more can we do with this? There's going to be like a text as well, you know. We need this text. We need that text right there. This one, you know. Is there an easy way for me to get the same text? Well, I can copy it first of all. That's pretty good. But also, apparently it's font type Arial. Okay. But then the question is, do we want Arial? Should I have a new font, maybe? I don't have a default font, because I'm using Arial for this one, but then for my offline screen with a bunch of text, there's a different font for that one as well. So, like, there's no standard text font on this channel. Perhaps there should be. Perhaps. Wingdings? No thank you. No thank you, sir. Okay, where's the... Is it style? Yes. Blur controls 2D. Blur 2D. Because, like, this works, but it blurs all of them. I kind of want to animate it. blur variance, so I can make just like some of them get blurred. Wait, how much blur is too much blur? I guess it shouldn't be much more than like this, right? Like that's the top amount of blur that I should be using. But yeah, if I let's see. So if we do that here instead, then oh wow, oh whoa, it's lagging right now, probably because of the blurring. Yeah, that one is slightly blurred. It's very difficult to see, but it is slightly. Perhaps I need to... oh god. Okay, that one is more blurred. I think some of the blurred ones almost look better. Like, they look... Perhaps all of them should have a little bit of blur? Because they're meant to be a background thing, you know? Perhaps that looks good. I don't know how to make this one work. The blur over life. Cause like if I set it, let's set it down and see if it blurs less over time. Will this one get into focus? It does! It does! Oh! Okay, so it does work. So, let's see. Can I make it go down and then back up later? Yeah, they come into focus. And then they get blurred on their way out. Perhaps that's good. Maybe they should all blur more. So let's set this thing down here and we'll set this one up here. Is that too much? We'll find out. Oh, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? As they like fade in and out, they also blur in and out. I think that looks pretty good. We're gonna need a text. Perhaps the text can just go on top on its own layer. Or maybe I should do it in here so that I can see it together when I work with these. Because if I do it on a layer here, when we go in here we can't see the text anymore. Yeah, okay, we should probably do it in here. So that's text plus. There we go. That's the text. And starting soon is the text. Or we could do something different. This needs to go to the media out. So I think I just need to do this. There we go. So now it merges down on that one. Okay, like that. So this one is the background, the rendering, and this one is the foreground, the text. But we're also gonna need to take this one. Can I merge them both? Oh, like that, I imagine. And then this text has to move up. And this text will have to move down. Oh yeah. Now we're vibing. Da da da, ba ba da ba 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 da ba. So let's see now. Open Sans. Ah, Consolas, my baby. I have a tendency to really like this one. Like that, kind of. Like it looks kind of code-like in a way. I don't know if that makes sense. Should it be pixelated? Like pixel art? I'm gonna need to find a good font then. We could take a look. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go look on the internet for a good free to use font. Pixelated font. Pixelated fonts. Okay. This one is pretty good. Is it free though? 100% free download. Okay, but before we do that, let's see what more we have here. Why is this one empty? We have this one. That's pretty funny. This one. I don't like this one. 100% free after purchase. Yes, let's go. This one is also pretty good. Public pixel. You know what? We're downloading it. It's a TTF font. Info. License. Public domain. That's what I like to see. Public domain. Which means that it belongs to everyone equally. It belongs as much to me as it belongs to the person who made this font. That's generous. That's very generous. Install, baby. Install. Okay, there we go. It's installed. It even works with Å and Ø. And A. That's pretty good. It works with Norwegian characters as well. Not all fonts do that. Come on, give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Public pixel. There we go. There it is. Public pixel is here. Nice, dude. Okay, and then we need to take down the size. Oh yeah. Let me see how that looks. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. The text here, it looks nice, but it feels a bit squished in the height. If that makes sense. Can I do that? Is it possible to stretch it in height? Transform. Size. Size Y. Oh. Oh, baby. Right. There we go. That's pretty good. We should do the same one with this text. So, P. Public pixel. Why did this one become so much bigger? Oh wait, yeah, because I had to. Oh hey, hey Lena, you want to go up in the chair? Is that it? Would you like to join the chair? Do you want to be chair gang? Oh yeah, she wants to be chair gang, guys. She's chair gang now. There we go. Okay, is there room for me in the chair as well? Oh, it's gonna be a tight squeeze. Oh, yeah, it's Luna's stream now. She has become a streamer. Okay, let's see. Oi. There we go. We're sharing the chair. It's me and her. Forever. Always. Okay, so this text is way too big. This size. Yeah, there we go. How can I make this text more in focus than all the stuff that's going on behind it? Because it's not very easy to read the text now, since it's white and it's on top of other stuff. Right on? Oh! That's pretty cool. That you can make it go like you're writing it right now, kind of. That's pretty cool. Red outline, here we go. Okay, so outline, but in black. How does that look? Yeah, because now there's a little bit of outline, which makes it a bit easier to read. Thickness. Okay, what happens if I just like boost it up? Yeah, it does get thicker. That is definitely thicker. Does it make it easier? It might, actually. That is pretty good. I think that is better. Do we also need shadow? I could try it. Enable. Ooh, that does look good though. That is pretty good. That is pretty banging. I gotta say. That is pretty good. It is much easier to read. Now we just need to figure out how can I apply color to this one. Okay, you know what? You know what? What we'll do? We'll do this. And then put that over here. Put this down here. Put that put this one here, put that here, and then put this one on that one, and then put this one on that one? Yes, indeed. Okay, so now we have this text and this text. And on text 1, we're gonna remove this. Oh, that's not what I want. Okay, we'll try it, So, okay, here's the text, right? What we'll do is just to move it exactly to where it is. And then we'll go to this one and we'll remove your watching. Okay, here we go, like that. That looks correct. Also, I think I want text 2 to be just a little bit smaller than the rest. This one is gonna have color. Which color are we gonna have, chat? What is the color? Is it blue? That's a very dark blue. I'm gonna need a lighter blue. Like that. I think that one's pretty good. You're watching Henrik McFlyboy, starting soon. So something I was thinking about was that instead of having starting soon, the starting soon ... and then have this write on thing be like doing this kind of boom 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 and then boom boom boom, like have it go like 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 like that. So if it goes like this and then we'll wait until like, let's say 40 frames in and we'll do full. Like, how's that gonna look? That looks pretty good, like that animation. Although we could wait a bit longer. Like 50? Yeah, that's pretty good. But then it has to go down again. But, I don't want to do this, like, for every... It has to be possible to, like, copy that animation, right? To just loop it. I might have to split this onto its own fusion layer. So that I can, like, easily loop that clip, while this one just is just the one clip, you know? Add track. Okay, here we go. Boom. There it is, on top of each other. Okay, and then open a Fusion page. For this one, we're not gonna have this, and not this one, not this one, not that one. We're just gonna do like that, and boom, there it is, there's the text. Done with that. Then, down here, we're gonna go into, hello? What? Are these the same? No, here it is. Okay, so... There we go. Yeah, this one still renders all of this. Okay. Yeah, there we go. It's still here. So yeah, at exactly 50 frames in, we would like to reset it. But we want to go one frame further, because it's gonna end at the frame before the one we're at. There we go. So this is the animation. There we go. And then we can just like copy it. And then we can take both of those and copy that. And then we can do this and copy that. How does that look? Yeah, that looks correct. I don't know if this is a good way. Oh, if this is a good way to do this, but it's my way or the highway. Isn't that how it works? Indeed it is. What happened now? Yeah. There we go. Okay, and then I guess that one. Guess we don't need that one as well. Now, what do we do from here? Cause this is 2 minutes, and then that's it, kinda. Should I just make it too long on purpose so that we never have to finish watching it? Or do we try to make it like perfectly loopable? There we go. I have an idea. It might be a wild one, but I have an idea. Okay. Let's just go to like here. And then we're gonna do a cut right there. We're still gonna have this here. You know? We're still gonna have it. But we're gonna copy it, and we're gonna I need an extra track. Add track. Can I move it down? Move track down. There we go. No, that's not what I want. I want paste. No. Oh. Okay, like that then. And then and then and then ooh. There we go. There we go. Cause now, no. What? Why doesn't it like start? Does it start from the beginning? What is happening here? Why isn't there anything already on the screen? Like, shouldn't we be in the middle of the animation by this point? Like here? No. It restarts. That sucks. Okay. Okay, what I'm thinking is, what if we do render in place? I've never done that before. Let's try that. Render. And then, yeah, I need somewhere to put it, I guess. Let's just put it here for now. Rendering media. Rendering speed. Ah, okay. So we'll have to wait 2 minutes while this renders. Let's see, 2 seconds. Come on. Give me the goodies. Oh, there we go. Oh, dude, it just straight up replaced it. That was kind of scary. Okay, now that that's handled, let's do a cut at the end. Around, I want to say, like here. Okay, boom. And then, I'm gonna need all of you guys to move up here. And then, I'm gonna need you to come with me. Hello? To come with me up here. No! Come on. Like that, and like that. Because now they're gonna be on top of each other. But then, we're gonna do this. Okay, will it be a smooth loop? That is the question. Because I'm gonna, oh wait, no, I'm gonna have to remove this. That's how it is, of course. Boom. Oh yeah. Boom. And then I'm gonna have to delete these 3 as well. There we go. So that it stops here. And on the first frame, we're still like here. Yeah. You see that? We stop at this frame, and on the first frame, we're on the next frame here. So that once we continue, it's still just going, you know? There we go. You can't really tell when the loop happens anymore if you're not looking at this. And if it goes continuously. Oh yeah, I can loop. Oh nice, dude. Okay, let's do a test. Let's ride it out, and we'll see if we can spot where the loop happens. Okay, there we go. We're just gonna watch it for a bit, and we'll see. Has it been yet? Oh, there. Okay. It is visible because multiple of them are disappearing at the same time, I think, and some of them disappear early. But it isn't very apparent. Okay, that's it. That's the video. That's it. Okay, so now if we go to delivery, we should be able to render this. But yeah, that's it. This is the intro. That's the new intro for my streams. For now, at least. And who knows? Maybe I'll make an alternative one in the future. But yeah, this is it. With that, I think we're done for today. So I hope you have a good day, everyone. Luna is being crazy right now. Look at her go. She's in my bookshelf, looking at my manga. She's gonna read some epic manga. There we go. Weeb cat, indeed. Okay. Anyways, that's it. So Bye bye. Have a good evening. And we'll see each other very soon. Bye bye.